Hello dears, so today onwards we are planning to start the basic beginners batch. In this session we will be including the basics you need to know before starting your drawings. There are few simple exercises to practice daily maybe which you can learn from this session, which will really helpful in increasing the flexibility of your hands and thus making your lines and curves in your drawing more smooth and proper. And also it is important to hold your pencil properly for making it possible. All these things we will be discussing in this session, and also we will introduce you to the elements of art, the names and the importance of these elements in your drawings. Also, we will discuss about the orientation of the art, the how you have to keep your paper for each drawing like that, okay? And after that, we will be the main another important thing, that's the mediums we're using for coloring to make our picture more beautiful. All these things we'll be discussing, like the types and how to use that and everything. And after that, the practice sessions to complete all this about topic. And when you are attending our session, you can always contact me on this WhatsApp number for any doubts and any correction and all. So once you're done, you can submit this to me for all the corrections. So that's it, dears. Wishing you all the best, and don't forget to share with me whatever you have done as well. Thank you.